Hello, you goddamn smugglers. Hey, bud. The hell? Who are you? I am the White Knight. Oh, the White Knight. He's pretty easy to kill, I've heard. Just one tap him. You missed. You're dead. And you're dead again. I should stop saying that. But you're still dead. Now it's time for me to kill your other friends. I'm gonna... What'd you do to my friend Gerald? Please, don't kill me. I'm still a kid. I'll beat him. That was You can take a bullet to the head any time of the week. Holy crap. Why are you trying to kill us? Because you guys are setting the deep stuff. Well, I don't like that. You think that would work? Like I said, I can take a bullet any day of the week. I'll let you live, kid. I'll let you live. Remember my name. Okay. Now it's your turn. Wait, please, sir. This is what you deserve, idiot. Never fight me again. I am the moon. I am the White Knight. Good night, you idiot. Bye. A couple minutes later, a few more minutes later. Sorry for the wait, boy. Sorry for the wait, guys. A couple. Hurry up! Jeez, I'm trying to make it close. God damn. Okay. There we go. Can't believe I killed all these people. Pretty easy though. I think. Yeah, why? Why am I happy? No. It can't be. I couldn't. Why did I kill them? Why? Such an idiot. They probably had kids. They probably had kids. That was so stupid of me to do. So stupid of me to do. I sent something robotic. For some reason I sent something robotic. Is that a robot? I am a robot. No, you are not. Yes, I am. Where did you go? Right here. Who the hell are you? I am the White Knight. Oh, no, that won't work. So, sticky bomb. Get sticky bombed. You dumb human. I have a laser. You idiot human. How? What kind of burns? I'm lying, you idiot robot. Well, I'm moving out the way. I'm gonna throw a flash grenade for fun. Just mix with the mix. Just go with the mix. That's weird. Why isn't it exploding? Whoa! Ow! No. No. I'll rest here. I'm dead. Goodbye, guys. Creators now. Bye. I just dropped the video of my phone. But they're goated. The hell? Because it's so easy. My voice matches half of my characters. Like, stupid.